Today, I'm gonna try to get up this massive parkour. Yeah, this
Oh
one
my
again,
god!
guys. And try to get like to till like the red bucket, like really on top. And if I fall, then I have to buy the dig deeper cosmetic. And it's 4,000 shiny rocks, and I don't have that much. So yeah, wait. Why are you guys looking at me so? Don't tell me. Bruh. Frank, why? So yeah, guys, without any further to do, let's get up it. So guys, remember how last time I slipped over the ice over there? Well, now guys, I got brains and I can now do it, guys. So yeah, let's go. Good king, back. This will be hard. Please no. You guys nothing. 3, 2, 1. Yes. And now let's just finish the course and try not to go down. As you guys can see, I'm already at the red bucket. All we have to do is go like maybe to it, guys, or onto that platform. I'm choosing to go what's behind me. It's actually, yeah, let's try the red bucket. No, 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 actually, no, 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 no. Ow. Oh, mate. Guys, I think I broke my neck with this. Wait, let me just get it back. Oh! Oh, that hurt. Whatever. I'll try to buy it next video, guys. Subscribe. 6, 7.